Hi, I'm Aamir from Interior Design Department. The reason why I chose interior design was I had this drive towards creating visuals for spaces, and also I wanted, I like being organized. So what drove me towards choosing interior design was the intricacy in it and the detailedness and how it all comes together as one piece. But when you look into it in the back end, it is something that you have to be very much careful and very precise. And yeah, I like the intricacy of interior design, and that's why I chose interior design. So my final major project is based in Berula, the city I come from. The reason why I chose Berula was to give back to the community that I come from. Since I have a history of having generational business based in Gen business, so I wanted to give back to the community. And after the brief was given to us to give a solution to a problem in a specific city, what I looked for in the market is for the problems that they are facing currently, the market's facing currently. And the problems that I came across were insufficient parking and not having proper infrastructure in the city. So what I did was I looked at how I could help the community and give back to the community, like I've said. So what happened was I looked at how generational businesses are passed down from generation to generation, and that helped me come up with a concept by looking into nature and how nature also has this generational continuity, and the chain that happens that keeps generating on a loop. So the concept for my project is fractals, which is based in nature, which means repetition in nature. The reason why I chose fractals was it helped me connect the connection between nature and businesses. How it connects nature and businesses is that fractals means repetition, which means you get a loop of something that keeps repeating in nature. And in businesses, it's the intergenerational transition that happens on a generational cycle. So that's how I ended up with my concept called fractals. So I applied this fractal concept onto my space, and using 2D massing, I came up with the plan for my space, and I went all out in using the vector of the massing. So I created concept models, and then I extracted shapes and lines from that and applied that onto the plans, and came up with the spatial planning of the space. And the building is cased with a glass facade which envelopes around the building, which helps sunlight come through, because sunlight is something very much needed when it comes to viewing and selling and looking at gemstones. So yeah, that's why I chose this concept of fractals, which would help me create a very good interactive design. So if we are talking about my future plans, I have started my own studio called Render Box, which is a 3D visualization studio and also a graphic design studio, but the main focus will be in interior design. So yeah, that's what I will be doing in future, and and I hope it works out.